Title: Quick Tutorial: How to Rename the Label of Your Drive in Windows 11. Renaming your drive label can help you organize and identify your drives more easily. There are different ways to do this in Windows 11, either through Settings or File Explorer. Before renaming, keep in mind that the maximum character limit is 32 for NTFS drives and 11 for FAT drives, including letters, numbers, spaces, and symbols. This guide will walk you through both methods to rename your drive label. Method 1, rename drive label through Windows Settings. 1. Open Windows Settings. Click on Windows Settings from the Start menu or press Win-I on your keyboard. 2. Navigate to System Settings. Click on System in the left pane. 3. Go to Storage. Select Storage from the list of options. 4. Open Advanced Storage Settings. Click on Advanced Storage Settings. 5. Select Volumes and Disks. Click on Volumes and Disks to view your available drives. 6. Choose the drive to rename. Find the drive you want to rename and click the down arrow next to it to expand more options. 7. Open Drive Properties. Click on Properties next to the selected drive. 8. Change the label. Select Change Label and type the new name for your drive. 9. Apply changes. Click Apply to save the changes. Method 2. Rename drive label using File Explorer. 1. Open File Explorer. Click on File Explorer from the taskbar or press Windows E. 2. Access this PC. Click on This PC in the navigation panel. 3. Right-click the drive. Right-click the drive you want to rename and select Rename. Alternatively, click on the drive and press F2. 4. Enter New Drive Label. Type the new name for the drive and press Enter to apply the changes. 5. Rename using Properties. Alternative method, right-click on the drive and choose Properties. Enter the new label in the Name field. Click OK to apply the changes. Conclusion. Renaming your drive label in Windows 11 is easy using either Settings or File Explorer. Both methods allow you to customize the label, making it more convenient to identify your drives. Make sure to follow the character limits, depending on your drive type, NTFS or FAT, and apply the changes for the new label to take effect.